This video will illustrate how to view live vehicle data and options for customizing how the data is displayed. To start, tap the Live tab. From here, the first step is to add the data sources you'd like to view. To do this, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap the Supported tab to see the data sources supported by your vehicle. Check the box of each data source you wish to view and log. You can customize how each data source is displayed by tapping the arrow next to the name of the source. From here, you can customize parameters such as range, units, and display type and color. Please note that customization options differ depending on the data source. To change the display units, simply tap the desired unit. To change the display range of the data, move the min and max sliders. You can also choose to display the data as a gauge, a graph, or a digital readout. Again, not all display types are supported by all data sources. Finally, you can change the display color. When you've tweaked the display settings to suit your needs, tap the back button twice to return to the live data screen. Data logging will start automatically. From here, you can also customize the size and layout of displayed data sources. Tap and hold any of the data sources until it starts to wiggle. Double-tap the source to change the display size. Hold and drag the source to move the display. When you're happy with the layout, tap the checkmark icon to save your changes. Live data can also be viewed in both portrait mode and landscape mode. For landscape mode, there are two display options. The default landscape mode is a combined view. In this mode, all data sources will be displayed on a single line graph. To edit display options while in this mode, tap the screen to pause the graphing. The data will continue to log while paused. Tap and hold to enable crosshairs anywhere along the graphs. Crosshairs allow you to see the exact data values at a given point along the graph. Use the top menu to change the graph settings or to save and export your data. Tap the play icon in the top menu to continue graphing. While in landscape mode, you may also separate the data sources into individual displays as in the portrait mode. To switch to separate graph mode, rotate the phone back to portrait mode and tap the More tab. Tap Settings, select Separate from the Live Data Mode options. Tap the Live tab to return to your live data and rotate your phone again. You can customize this layout the same way you customize the portrait mode, starting with holding down on any of the displays to enter the edit mode. That's it for how to view and customize live data. If you are having trouble with live data or any other BlueDriver feature, don't worry, our world-class support team is here to help. Contact them 24/7.